Hey, problem solvers. It's still module one. I thought I'd post another video. I'd call it a bonus video, but you're not getting anything for it except information. But you're getting good information, right? Just wanted to let you know that try not to miss any assignments, those of you that are actually participating in the class from the start. Reason I say that is because after going through it last session, I had a couple people were spotty, skipped a couple discussion boards, skipped a couple of responses, and that all adds up, and they actually didn't pass the class. I don't make concessions at the end for work that didn't get done in week 3, 5, 4, 2, whatever. Okay, so try to stay with it. You're gonna find it. For example, eight students failed the final paper. If you consider under a C fail in the final, 5 of those failed the class. 2 of those did not submit the work, so that's fine. So it's actually okay. So 1 got a D plus on the final paper, but because he did not participate in discussion boards, either main post and or responses, he left 150 points on the table and missed passing by 20 points, where he could have had a solid B, even with that D plus final paper, just by participating during the course. So you catch my drift. And just as an FYI, I had, what do we have? 10 A's in the class, 6 B's, 3 C's, and 5 did not pass the class, and 2 of those didn't even do the work. So just want to give you some idea how this thing goes. That doesn't include the plus, minus, whatever, but I don't really tend to round up. If you're cutting it really close, I'm not going to let my subjectivity cost you a grade. I promise you that, okay? So I'm work with you, you work with me. Let me know again if you have some issues that come up. Don't let me know in week 7 that you had a problem in week 2. Right? Okay. So thinking about the topics, I'm going to get into your discussion board posts. I think so far I've got 7. That's about a third of the class that's checked in, but probably a fourth of the overall class right now. And I'll take a look at it. What I'll probably be doing is acknowledging what you're talking about here, and then talking to you about taking it down to make sure you can take it down to a local community. Local, it denotes geographical boundaries, right? And that's definitely a good way to go about it geographically, a city that you're in, a town that you're in. But also the community could be, a certain demographic. But be careful that your community is not a global community that you're not going to be able to, work with in terms of solving anything. So that community could still be in your city, your state, region, but it's going to be a specific demographic community, right? I'll try to work it out on a case-by-case basis. And again, if you need to, set up a call with me, and we will we'll talk about where you can go with your ideas, right? So that's going to be important. I just want to emphasize again, make sure it's a workable type of topic. And I was going to try to put together a list of possible topics, but I don't want to lead you one way or the other. I like to see what you come up with first, and then we'll go about it. So I just wanted to re-emphasize that in terms of, the first paper, because you will be able to change it for module 2 if you need to change your topic based on what we see, modify it, tweak it. I just want to let you know, because I think, again, that's the most important aspect of what's going on here, okay? So you guys have a great holiday week and holiday day tomorrow. And if it, like I said, hopefully you'll get everything done. Let me know if you have problems. Okay, thanks. That's it. 5 minutes under. Yeah.